Good morning, friends. So, today I am going to discuss about the admission process of Vinod Bihari Mato Koilanchal University, Dhanbad, in the various colleges like P.K. Roy Memorial College, Sri Sri Lakshmi Narayan Trust, Mahavidyalay, SSLNT, okay, and many other colleges like R.S. More College and other colleges. So, first of all, you all know. See, I am going to the official website of P.K. Roy Memorial College. First, you have to check out your merit list. Either you are shortlisted in the first merit list or not. If you are shortlisted in the first merit list, you may be eligible to take your admission and reserve a seat. So you can see this is UG admission 2020 Science, Commerce, Social Science and Humanities. This is the link of your merit list, first merit list. So click here, and after clicking this link you will have several options, out of which you have to check out for your subject like chemistry, commerce, English, zoology, Hindi, history, mathematics, physics, political science, zoology, Bengali, botany, economics, philosophy, psychology and Urdu. So along with the subject for which you have applied, you have to click the list of selected students column. For example, if any student has applied for mathematics, he or she will have to click the right side, click here to view the list beside the mathematics. Okay, so I am clicking. I have already downloaded, and so this is showing, and once again I am downloading this list. So mainly this is your list, and these are the names shortlisted. Suppose you are shortlisted in the fourth, or maybe any example, take any example. Suppose you are shortlisted for fourth number, okay, or any other list, suppose 28 serial number. I am just taking one example, not I am intentional for any other student or any type of no, I am just taking one example. Suppose I am taking 31st serial number, okay, so 31st serial number taking. So suppose you have to check your name out of these names, 257 names. Check your name. If you are shortlisted, then the further process I am going to discuss you is this. Go to the P.K. Roy Memorial College official website. If you are intended to take admission in SSLNT, then go to SSLNT's official website. Each college have their individual website, and they have outed their merit list in their concerned official websites. Okay, so these are the cursors blinking on the screen. You may see first one is notice for students. So I am clicking the notice for students. But so this notice has some points, some information given to you. First is only selected students can fill out the undertaking form. चयनित सूची के अभ्यर्थी ही घोषणा पत्र भरेंगे. दिस इज द नोटिस. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकंड पॉइंट, चयनित अभ्यर्थी चयन सूची दैट मीन्स सिलेक्शन लिस्ट के क्रमांक संख्या सीरियल नंबर का उल्लेख घोषणा पत्र अंडरटेकिंग के ऊपर में अवश्य करेंगे. घोषणा पत्र जमा करने के 24 घंटे पश्चात पेमेंट का लिंक उपलब्ध होगा. प्रथम सूची में चयनित छात्र छात्राओं को घोषणा पत्र दैट मीन्स अंडरटेकिंग एवं पेमेंट की प्रक्रिया 22 सितंबर तक पूरी कर लेनी है. दिस इज द नोटिस. ओके, सो you are You want to know what is the undertaking form, so click on the link of undertaking. So this is the undertaking form. Okay, undertaking form is opening. So basically this is the undertaking form, and the first you have to fill out, if you are intended to take admission in BA, you have to fill out BA in the first column. Okay, and if you want to take admission in BCom, then first you have to fill BCom, and if you are wanting to take admission in BSc, then fill BSc, and then discipline, either you are taking in honors courses. If you are taking in honors courses, so fill out here honors, and if you are taking admission in general courses, fill out here general, and if you are taking admission in vocational courses, fill in the blanks with vocational. Okay, next subject, if you are taking admission in mathematics honors or BSc, so fill up first BSc, then honors, then subject mathematics, and chancellor portal application number. The chancellor portal application number will be available on the jharkhanduniversity.nic.in's your chancellor portal login ID and password. Fill the login ID and password, you will get that application number. Or during your application process, when you have applied your application, there are two copies of printout you was printed after application. So there will be available the chancellor portal application number, and that chancellor portal application number was written in the form number like UG/2020 to 2023 /14 and that something this type. Okay, and next, name of the applicant, fill up your name here in and then your father's name and mobile number that was filled in during application process. Only that mobile number is applicable here. Okay, and I after that fill up here with your name, and if you are son of and next column, fill up your father's name, or if you are married lady, then fill up your husband's name. Okay, seeking admission to, name of the course, for example, if you are taking on in BA Hindi, then fill up BA Hindi, or if you are BA Honors Hindi, instead BA Hindi, BA Honors Hindi, or BA General Hindi, or BSc Honors Mathematics, or BSc Honors Physics, BSc Honors Chemistry, and in this way. Okay, so either you are taking admission in honors, then mention BSc Honors, or BSc or BA Honors, or BA General, or BSc General, this type. Okay, and then mathematics, physics, chemistry, whatever you have chosen, and and the name of the college. The next column you have to fill up with your college that you have chosen, like PKRM, PKRMC Dhanbad, or SSLNT Dhanbad, this type. Okay, and these are the declarations. Read these declarations, and here you have to sign here. Your signature is needed, and with date and place. And place, that means place, you may fill out your local place, your village name. Okay, and here your parent or guardian, in case parent is not available, and then sign here with your guardian. And this you have to send with this link. Here is the link, and now other link is provided in the official website, so I am going there. So this is the link, first link, cursor link, linking on the screen. Okay, so this is the undertaking link for online submission of undertaking to take provisional admission in undergraduate courses at PKR Memorial College, Dhanbad. So this here, fill out your email address and serial number of the selection list, I have told you first serial number, like if your name has out in fourth serial number or 28th serial number or 31st serial number or 199 serial number, then fill up whatever your serial number is, first column. And mobile number as given on Chancellor portal, I have already mentioned here. Fill up your mobile number, your name, your date of birth, click here. You will get year or year, like if you have born in 2002, click here, and if you have born on 1st of June, then click here and set this is June 1st 22. And your father's name and faculty, like faculty, choose here anything, faculty science. If you have chosen science, then choose science. I am filling out a false email address. Okay, this is my email address. You have to fill out your email address. Like my serial number is suppose 100 or suppose 132, suppose mobile number or anything serial number you may 100 maybe. Number, my mobile number, I'm filling out my mobile number. Okay, 911346788. This is your mobile number, you have to fill up. Name, suppose any name, ABC, any name you are choosing. Okay, father's name XYZ, here fill up. Next, click on the next. Okay, link for submission, suppose honors mathematics. Next, if you have fill wrong link, then you have to intended to take admission in BSc General, you may take BSc General, anything. Okay, and next, this is the declaration. All above informations are correct, and here you have to click add field. In this link you have to upload your PDF format of the undertaking form. First you have to print out the undertaking form, then you have to fill up the mentioned columns and signature with signature, date, place, then make a PDF. After from you may make PDF it from printer machine, printer in your desktop or laptop or mobile. You may also make PDF from mobile, and select here from your my drive, anything, select here from file. You will be given here options, document, select document. This is the way you may submit your. I am leaving because I am not intended to take admission. I am just describing you the process. This, okay. After that you will have to submit the undertaking form, then you will be mailed or messaged from the college that your undertaking is accepted. Now you are able to do your payment for admission. Note that you are not admitted yet, you are only allowed to take admission, so that you may make payment. After the payment, going through your Chancellor portal, login ID and password, fill up that and enter into your Chancellor portal. Then you have to pay your admission fee and take out the printout of the challan and admission fee paid. After that you are provisionally accepted to take admission, and after that whenever, that means your admission is confirmed and you are now eligible to take admission. But yet one more step is remained, that is the verification of your documents like mark sheet and CLC, SLC, etc, etc. Those will be verified at the college whenever these situations will be normal, and you have to submit, you may have to submit your hard copies of your application form, and maybe undertaking form you have to submit in hard copy, and school leaving or college leaving certificate of matriculation, or in sorry not matriculation, intermediate. Okay. And and yes, and your mark sheet will be checked out, original, but mark sheet will be not submitted there. Only you have to submit your CSLC or CLC. Okay. And this is the process, simple process, very simple. You will not have to visit the college. Okay. So this is the process of PKR Memorial College Dhanbad, and similar is the process for all the college associated with Binod Bihari Mato Koilanjali University Dhanbad. This is the first merit list of taking your admission. I hope I am able to explain you the process of your admission. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and like, share. Thank you.